There's a quiet shift happening in lawn care where power no longer needs to come with noise, fumes, or effort. And once you experience that shift, it's difficult to go back. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're looking at the Greenworks 60V 21-inch brushless self-propelled cordless lawn mower. This is a premium battery-powered mower designed for homeowners managing medium to larger yards, up to around 3/4 of an acre, who want strong, consistent cutting performance without the maintenance demands of gas equipment. If you're maintaining a sizable lawn, dealing with uneven terrain, or simply want a quieter and more refined mowing experience, this product is directly relevant to you. As always, the purchase link is available in the description. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this mower a considered choice. Reason 1. True gas-like performance without the trade-offs. At the core of this mower is a 60V brushless motor, delivering the kind of torque typically associated with gas-powered machines. In practical use, this means it handles dense grass and uneven patches with confidence while maintaining consistent blade speed. The brushless design also improves efficiency and longevity, which contributes to a more reliable long-term ownership experience. Reason 2. Self-propelled control that adapts to you. The rear-wheel drive self-propelled system transforms the way you move across your lawn. Instead of pushing against resistance, the mower works with your pace. Whether you're navigating slopes or covering longer stretches, the adjustable speed control allows you to maintain comfort and precision, reducing fatigue during extended sessions. Reason 3. Extended runtime for larger properties. With two 4.0Ah batteries included, this mower is designed to cover up to 3/4 of an acre on a single combined charge, depending on terrain and usage. For many homeowners, that means completing the entire mowing routine without interruption. The included rapid charger also ensures that downtime between sessions remains minimal. Reason 4. Exceptionally quiet and low maintenance. One of the most noticeable differences comes the moment you start it. There's no pull cord, no engine roar, just a smooth, quiet start. Operating at significantly lower noise levels than gas mowers, it's ideal for residential areas where sound matters. With no oil changes, fuel mixing, or engine upkeep, the maintenance demands are refreshingly low. Reason 5. Versatility with 4-in-1 cutting options. This mower adapts to different lawn care preferences with 4 cutting modes: mulching, bagging, side discharge, and turbo leaf pickup. Whether you're maintaining a clean finish or managing seasonal leaf buildup, the flexibility ensures it remains useful throughout the year, not just during peak growing months. Reason 6. Thoughtful design for real-world use. Features like the 21-inch cutting deck strike a balance between coverage and maneuverability, while integrated LED headlights allow for early morning or late evening mowing when temperatures are more comfortable. The IPX4 water resistance rating adds reassurance for use in slightly damp conditions, making it practical across varying environments. Reason 7. Long-term ecosystem value. This mower is part of the Greenworks 60V ecosystem, compatible with over 75 tools including trimmers, blowers, and chainsaws. The included 4-year warranty on both the tool and battery further reinforces its long-term value. For those looking to build a cohesive, cordless outdoor toolset, this integration is a meaningful advantage. Trusted by many of 5-star reviewers, this mower consistently earns recognition for balancing performance, comfort, and ease of use. Final verdict. The Greenworks 60V 21-inch self-propelled mower is not the lightest option on the market, and for very small lawns, it may feel more capable than necessary. However, for medium to large yards where consistent performance and reduced effort are priorities, it delivers a refined and dependable experience. It stands out because it removes the traditional compromises between power and convenience. You're not choosing between performance and simplicity, you're getting both in a well-designed package. If you're considering upgrading your lawn care routine to something quieter, cleaner, and more efficient, this is a product worth exploring. Take a moment to review the link in the description and choose with clarity, buy with confidence.